So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Airfoil's DAT to Fusion 260. So yeah, let's get started. Go to Utilities, and then click Add-ins, Fusion 260 App Store, and let's go and open up the App Store. And click Airfoil DAT. There we go. Make sure to download both of them, because one is for optimizing the airfoil and the other one is for inserting the airfoil into the application Fusion 260. Let's go and click the optimizer, Mac OS, download. Let's download right over there. Let's go back, click the spine one, Mac OS again, and then click download. So both of them are downloaded. And now we must go to Fusion 260. Oh no, sorry. And then we should go ahead and click both of them to install. So now in this screen it will tell you that Apple could not verify the developer of this add-in. But as we all of us might know, this add-in is safe to open and use. So we're gonna go to settings. We're going to go ahead and click privacy, go down here, open anyway, click password, and now it must go ahead and install. Just go and follow the steps and it will go and install the add-in for Fusion 260. Go, install. And here we go. Now it has downloaded. To trash. And now let's go and download the second one. Okay. Again, we have to go and do the same process. The same thing. Go to settings again. Privacy. Then wait. For some reason it didn't appear. Whoa. Why is it being laggy? Okay, wait a second. Close that thing again. Let's go back. And there it should be. Open anyway. Okay, so now you have to go and follow the steps as the previous one. And it's asking for the passwords again. Okay, so now it has been installed. So now both of these guys has been installed. Let's go back to Fusion 260, and now it should be right there, just like that. So yeah, this is me, Rob Song, and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.